Share screen.
Rika Garnica. At Ate May, ako gani nakatry usa ka adlaw. 200 plus na what? Sad kaayo pero ok sarap.
Messi kay ni Ron.
200
Wait,
plus.
wrong. So, pag-share kanilang. Okay, share. Okay, so sakto ni. Okay. So, these are muna siya guys. Maklaro na nag-scroll ko. Okay, so this was posted in Bisaya YouTubers Club na group, and we had reactions for this. Mauni siya ang first logo, and there were 45 reactions for this logo. The next one naatay 8 kabuok. This had 2. This one had 21. 20 lang, 20. And this had 5. Kani 3. 13. Tulo. 4. 5. May logos na submit. So thank you so much for all those who participated. Wala tayo consolation, but we have 15 giveaways tonight from Sir Eric. So this 5 kabuok ni vote, this unom, this duha, kani naay 5, duha, kani tulo, and duha, 8, and then back to the first logo which has 45 pinakadaghanan og kanang reactions ni. So I would like to congratulate Joshua Jex Meneses for making this as the official logo of BYC. So congratulations, you have won yourself. You have won yourself T-shirt care of John Eric, and also unsa pa to Sir Eric?
Lanyard and mugs. Ako na lang ko anong tagaag consolation tong nihatag og lanyards na lang para sa ilang hago ba.
Okay. So congratulations also for all those who submitted, sir. Okay. So all those who submitted, you will have a lanyard with BYC logo.
Kani nga logo na.
With the official BYC logo. So that will be given to you guys after na sa quarantine, because lisod pa karon ang mga deliveries due to the quarantine restrictions. So please do be patient, but we will take note of all the submissions. Thank you so much again, Sir John Eric Basilisco, for being the sponsor tonight. Congratulations. Congrats Joshua Jex Manok. Anyway guys, once again, if manaog flex si Baby J, let's flex again Sir Eric for being tonight's sponsor.
Sure, next na pod na kuan raffle siguro. Mag-set ta.
Okay, so we have 12 viewers right now. Guys, nag-comment na mo raffle. Okay, going back to the comments, we have Atimay, Rika, and Joshua Jex. We have only 3 who joined the raffle. So please comment mo og raffle, guys, para ma-appeal mo. Hi, Kiara the V. She's here. Yay, kay wa na laba-laba ko no ang iyang t-shirt. So we have 15 folks. Guys, comment na mo please og raffle para ma-appeal mo sa raffle. We'll be giving away lanyards, mugs, and also lanyard mug keychain from Sir John Eric Oliani na kay colored.
Keychain way labot motor.
Okay, we have Maricel Atad. Maricel Atad is here. So
Jelly Jeff Doran. Nanasad si kuan. Jelly Jeff Doran.
Insa pa? Nasi Eneriona. Who else? Jelly Jeff Doran. Okay, unsa pa? Raffle, guys. Type in raffle as comment para maka-join mo. Please don't forget also share this video. Share this video please para managhan ang mo appeal sa raffle. Okay, you will win na chance to win 5 lanyards, 5 keychains, and 5 mugs with the official BYC logo. So, walay paraffle shirts, Becken and Ben. The shirt was actually the price already, but I think we can negotiate
Eric.
Sir Eric for the BYC shirts.
Pwede,
And
pwede.
then maka-discount tayo daghan kay ta.
Pwede, pwede.
We'll just discuss that later after this live stream. We have 15
we have
folks,
another one.
guys. Raffle, please, raffle. We have JR Kulit Hikban. JR Kulit Hikban. Okay, so nanatay pito ka buok na names diri. Wanay lain diha. Okay, let's have at least 15 people.
Oh yeah, sakto.
15 mag-comment og raffle so that we can start choosing names. Sila tanan madaog. Okay.
Murag kuan lang.
Ala, so kung wa na lain madungog ani, o sila na tanan na magkadaog. Okay, Ate May, Rika, Joshua Jex, Maricel, Eneri, Jelly Jeff, and JR, mao pa'y nag-comment og raffle.
Comment na raffle sa comment.
Oh, comment na mo please. Og raffle.
Comment lang mo kay.
Viewers, type na mo.
Di mo magsugod. Kami mo comment daog pud mig appeal.
Comment sa kubi, pwede. Dili sila mga tagnis. Padag-on ko nung nila, char. Okay, so exactly 7:30. If wala na yung madungag, automatic na. But we will still raffle to know what prices will go to you. So, maghulat ta. We have 4 minutes left. So, please comment lang mo og raffle, guys. And don't forget to share this video as well. Wala na may nadungag. Raffle from YT Kiara the V. So let's flex na lang po. Kiara the V. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, go ahead. Type down your YT channels. We can flex while waiting. We have 16 viewers. Maing gabi, please. Comment raffle to join the raffle. Okay. Kiara the V. Oy, natay lain kauban si Jomel.
Naa si Yam Yagarino Monsueto.
Yam Sagarino. Okay, let's type him down sa note. Yam Sagarino. Ato sa i-flex si Yam Miriam Mansueto, iyang channel, guys. Please do subscribe to her as well. Okay, we already have 8 people in the list. Please don't forget to type raffle in the comments. Hello, Joshua Jex. Nagpakita si Baby J. Tiagi rin siya kadiyot. Type down raffle, guys. We have 15 folks watching. Type down raffle. Magsugod na ta. Daghan na ako raffle from YT Karabi. Okay. One raffle entry per name lang ta para fair sa uban. Go, guys! Type raffle, please, sa comment. Type raffle sa comment. Thank you for flexing, admin. Salamat sa 18 people. Yam. 18 people. Okay,
we have another one. Enrico Sibayan. Raffle.
Enrico, may gabi.
Biizong.
Okay, so guys, type in na mo raffle.
Pwede mo appeal ako, ate. Kami na loading.
Pwede kayo.
Go, laban.
Type raffle, guys. Comment raffle. Mag-start na ta.
Best March, ansay, YTC ni mo nga full. Di ko ka-search sa isa na ko.
People, type down raffle, please. Ato ni i-edit, be. Okay, libgan guro sila. Type raffle to join. Oh, sige, go! Sharo, dako na kay na. Wala lain mo join? pwede mo request, miss, ipakita na ilang mga beauty diha sa cam. Uy, pakita ko no mo, uy.
Sorry, wa ko webcam.
Phone.
Wala.
We have 20 folks watching, guys. Type in Raffle, guys. Magsugod na ta. You will receive BYC merch care of Sir Eric Basilisco. 2 minutes na lang daw, 7:30 na siya actually. Pero unsa man sugdan na nato? We have
Pila na?
Abraham
Pila na?
Godfrey is here.
More than 15?
Abraham Godfrey from Milan. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 pa?
10 pa. We have 5 remaining. Okay, naibag-o. Chan Dave,
Naibag-o.
Mamita, Legaspi. May gabi diha. Salamat for being here. Chan Dave, Mamita, Legaspi.
Extend na lang 5 minutes, mga
Okay,
7:35.
extend 5 minutes. Okay. So we have JR Mana. Okay. Wait sa ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 names already here on the list. Guys, go guys. Ana si Richelle Obias. Thank you
We
for
need
being
more.
here. Sige, dusi na kabuok. Excited na ko sa raffle. Thank you sa mga sponsors. We only have one sponsor actually. Thank you so much. Sir John Eric to no, Basilisco.
Yes.
Okay. Oh guys, go na type na mo raffle para maka-join.
Type Raffle.
17 viewers. Sharo 18 viewers. Type na mo raffle guys.
Di sila ganahan makadaog.
Guys.
Way ganahan mo daog. Aw, kani sila tanan sure ball na ni. Ig-abot ani og 15. Go guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 3 more names to go. Hinaynayan na nako open ang kuan ha. Name picker. Ingin ako na ma-add.
Mega shout out to kuan daw ni sa to Abraham Godfrey for Milan. Grabe loading na dugay kay message sa live.
Ato ni siyang i-share. Share. Wa pay bag-o no. Okay. Okay, we have 19 folks. Wa na mo comment diha o raffle.
Go apas na mo labong extended 5 minutes.
Okay, o nanay niyo mga ngan diha ha. Sige, 17 folks watching. 20 views. Jerome J. Kuyag, may gabi, basin ganahan ka mo appeal. Okay, mo appeal today siya. Ato siya i-add ha. We have, nanayduhan na adungan. Jerome J. Kuyag and Shaina Fernandez. May gabi.
Type lang mo raffle kayo. Wala bitaw ni bayad.
23 viewers. Sharo way ka ingog raffle diha. Kamutanan guys, type mo raffle karon dayon. 15 na go na miss daog na mi. Raffle na ta guys, kalingaw. Wait sa. Pila na may 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Usa na lang. 20 viewers, 22 viewers.
Usa na larga lang.
Wa ko kasud ate. Wa siya kasud. Ay, gawat siya sa kuan.
Masigilakan ka.
We have people waiting.
Gaaway na mi kay tungod sa loading. Laban lang, Jai.
25 people are watching and there are only 14 names on the list. Everyone, please type raffle. Type raffle, guys. Okay, Kenneth is here. Praise God. Jinsi nakabuok. Okay. So,
1 minute.
Go na ta. 1 minute more. Okay, 1 minute. Join. Cheboy, please type raffle, not join. Cheboy, please type raffle. Asa naman to? Cheboy,
raffle,
please type
guys.
raffle, please.
Wait siya.
Cheboy, wait. Unsay premium? We're giving away 5 lanyards, 5 mugs, and 5 keychains. Nairong spelling, pero sige gihapon. Sige sa mo siya. Rifle, said, ampit. Okay. More than 15 na ta, guys. So, can we go now? Can we go now? Sige na, go na ta. Raffle na ta, miss. Kay duty pa ko. Okay. Rochelle Box na pa last. Rochelle Bugs. Okay. Bon, wala na po na dungag. Bon, Joe, Alferez,
Nadaghan.
Paran. Okay. So,
Nanaghan na
let's
sila
start.
ng managkaon.
Pwede ka buok, madaog. 15 ka buok. Sige, so let's go ahead and spin.
Hala, ako gina. Oh.
O sa'yo first na to ihatag dyan, Eric?
Ikaw lang. Oh, wait.
Subot ang kitchen?
Pwede ra.
Okay, Shaina
Wait, daw.
Fernandez. Congratulations, you won yourself a
Congratulations,
BYC
Shaina.
keychain. So please do message us cause after quarantine
Tawag
para
ako
ba
yan.
ng hatag? Shaina Fernandez.
Sige, kaya kung
Nay,
kopyahan.
nangutan na. Nay, nag-aspila day kabuok madaog, ma'am. 15.
15.
15 kabuok, no?
Oo.
Hi, Josemar. We'll be flexing after this, ha? Okay, so that's the first winner of the first keychain. Ato nilista daan keychains ba. Sige, sunod. Remove. I-remove na to siya. Next winner is...
Daog ako yan.
Congrats, China.
Congratulations, Day.
Bonjo Alferez. Mga bagong suit ba, Jud? Mga bagong suit. May nakadaog. Okay, let's have Bonjo Alferez.
Ayan, Bonjo. Congratulations, Day.
Alferez Paran. You won yourself a keychain. Congratulations, Bonjo Alferez Paran. You won yourself a keychain. Okay, remove.
Ayan.
Next, third winner for keychain.
Yahayan eh.
Oh,
Rika.
Sige pa, push ako lang. Ay, wala.
Rika Garnica.
Ayan, Rika Garnica. Congratulations, Rika Garnica.
Ato sa lista. Rika Garnica, you won yourself a keychain care of Sir Eric. May pag nagpa-awit ko. Actually, anong mga nagpa-awit kay maoy una na daog. So, mga basin mag-una kay maoy later sa
Grand.
mga months.
Mo ay
Diba? Mag for
makakuha
me,
sa
please.
grand.
Pangkapi na ako. Pangkapi daw niya, uy. Okay.
Mug for me, please.
Next winner is JR Kulit. JR Kulit. You won yourself another keychain care of Sir John Eric.
Pila na ni? Upat na, no?
Ikaupat na ni.
Okay.
Okay, so last one for the keychain. Agay.
Maricel Ata.
Maricel Atad. Maayong gabi. Daog ka.
Congratulations, Marcel.
Keychain. Alright, so muna to ang mga
diba?
keychain. Purot na tong keychains, guys. Next is the lanyard. Last na tong mug. Mug man to ako ang wish. Pajoy na imong uyab, JR. Basin pwede siya sa mugs. Okay. Kani, lanyards na ni, ha? Uy! Ate Mai! Ate Mai won herself a lanyard with a BYC logo. Congratulations, Ate Mai. Okay, second lanyard will go to basta imong i-wish di na dun na may mukha.
Hello.
Rochelle Bags. Rochelle Bags. Rochelle Bags
Yan,
one.
Rochelle Bags.
Is it a he, a her? A lanyard. Okay, that's the second lanyard. Tayo sa akong wish nga mag. Sige na lang, guys. So,
Yay,
that's
congrats,
still a free
Rochelle.
merch. So, thank you so much, Sir Eric, Ana. So, remove na to. This will be the third lanyard to be given away. Enrico Sibayan. Enrico Sibayan, you won yourself a BYC lanyard. Congratulations! Basi na ay ni comment join ha. Ay, Raffle. Fourth. Third lanyard to be given away. Ano? Eneri! Enrico Sibayan. Fourth lanyard will go to Eneri Jonas. Congratulations, Irene. You won yourself a BYC lanyard. Okay. Last na ta na lanyard, guys. 28 viewers, guys. You can still join. Comment raffle. Richel Obias will receive a lanyard. Congratulations. Okay. Narata. Magnata. Excited na ba mo, guys? Comment sa mo raffle, be. Kanang wala pa sa lista, be. Wala to uban. Unfair. Okay. So, we will be giving away 5 mugs right now. If wala pa mo ka-join, please go ahead and type raffle. If wala na, then let's go ahead and start. Jelly Jeff Doren. Na tinuod gyud ang imong yehey mugs please. Congratulations, Jelly Jeff Doren. You won yourself a BYC mug, care of Sir Eric. Yay! Lipay kayo, Jelly Jeff Doren. Congratulations! Okay. Ma'am, sige comment akong ate. Wa nakita, Ari. Ngano wa makita? Naka-public man ni siya. Hala, mo join si Josimar. So we need to add Josimar. He just joined. Hey. Nawa ako ngan. Nakadaog naman ka, Ate Mai. Ate Mai, you won yourself a lanyard. Nawa daw yan ngan. Uy. Okay, let's start again the roulette. The next winner will win the second mug. Wow, Abraham Godfrey from Milan. You won yourself a Bisaya YouTubers Club na mug, care of John Eric Basilisco. Congratulations! Nawa ko ka-jute. Wadi kay boss Ate Mai nadaog siya, uy. Okay, so let's remove Abraham. Next, the third mug will go to nice. Thank you, di ba anak ko, basta dili i-wish madaog ka na. Okay, let's go ahead and choose the third winner. Thank you, admin.
Wan na, daog na pod.
Oy, Joshua! Daog na po, Joshua.
Manok na lang na eh.
Nagsana sila sa iyang uyab. So, Joshua Jex is actually the winner of as well for the logo making contest. And I think it would be fair for him to
Sige.
also win from the raffle because he's here. He joined us. So, congratulations, Joshua Jex. You
Yeah,
won
thanks,
yourself a
thanks,
mug,
thanks.
another mug.
Thank you.
1, 2, you're welcome. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Sir Eric, for being the sponsor. So 1, 2, 3. We have the fourth mug to be given away. Add me, don't ski. Say raffle. Don't ski, say raffle. Comment raffle now. Don't ski. Go na dayon. Wala, dugaya. Na may delay, no? Nani delay sa ilaha siguro?
Na 30 seconds.
What? Ato na ni i-join kay duha na lang ra ba ka mag. 3. We have the fourth mug to be given
Ay,
away.
kaning mug ha, kay wala ni kape. Mug ra ni.
Shout out, Baby Lib. Baby Lib Hunter. For shout out. Okay. So, Sir Donsky, maskin add me imong gibutang, i-add gyud ka, sir, maskin raffle among requirement. So, you're already on the list. Let's now raffle the fourth winner of the mug. Okay. Go. Yam Sagarino. Baby Lib. Baby Lib, how to join? Type in raffle lang sa comment, please. I hope makaapas pa ka. Let's give them 1 minute. Let's give them 1 minute kay ganahan siya mo appeal. So, Yam Sagarino, congratulations. You won yourself a mug, a BYC mug from Sir Eric. Okay, thank you, Donski daw. Thank you daw. Okay. So, Baby Lib, ganahan siya mo appeal. Ato lang po siya i-add, guys. Si Baby Lib Hunter. Okay. Kung nailain, I think muna na siya. Alright. Nympha, na piniapas. Nympha. Okay. So, names have been added. We have Donsky, Baby Lib, and Nympha. For the last mug, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, good luck. May the last mug go to the lucky winner. Na ba page ang BYC? Na ay page ang BYC na po siya group. Okay. No! Zyphol said ampit.
Murag,
Wala pa rin siya. Congratulations! You won yourself the last mug. Okay. So, congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. The prizes will be given away after the quarantine. So, please do message me. I will update you or I will just post any update for the prizes. Kano sa sila ma-deliver. But rest assured, Sir John Eric Basilisco will be taking care of those prices, and then the new BYC logo will be there as well. So
Alright.
please do promote your channel, sponsor, and the BYC logo winner. Please promote. Ato ni stop screen share. Okay. Right. So 25 viewers, thank you so much for being here. Our sponsor for tonight is Sir Istoryang Gamay. Ato i-flex iyang channel, guys, ha? Kay siya ba sponsor for tonight? Kana siya. Okay, I'll share my screen. Okay. Please do visit Istoryang Gamay. He is our sponsors for tonight. Sponsor for tonight. He gave away 1 t-shirt, 1 lanyard, and 1 mug to our logo making contest winner, who is Joshua Jex. And then he also gave away 15 items for the raffle tonight for the 5 keychains, 5 lanyards, and 5 mugs. So, as a thank you, all the winners, please subscribe mo ni Sir Istoryang Gamay in YouTube.
Ooh, thank you.
Salamat sad kay Sir. And then, so guys, go ahead, please do subscribe and make sure you left comments or you leave comments sa iyang videos para mabalikan mo niya in case YouTuber mo. And we would like to also flex Joshua Jex Meneses. Let's go ahead and flex Baby J.
The mukbang challenger.
Yang Baby J. Unsa to asa siya?
Katong may
Baby J?
cartoon.
Oh, nati pagka-pin word ihangan. Baby J, are you there? Nawa na mas
Namalit.
Baby J. Uy, nalipay na siya siyang daog.
Namalit siguro manok.
Namalit na to gimukbang. Anyway, Baby J. Ato lang ibalik si Istoryang Gamay. So guys, I would be flexing the admins as well tonight. So I have the list of admins of the new admins of Bisaya YouTubers Club. I'll be flexing them one by one in a bit. So for now, please do subscribe to Istoryang Gamay. Ahak, nawala akong signal. Nawala daw ang signal ni Janiel. Okay. So muna guys ha, Istoryang Gamay, our sponsor for tonight. Thank you so much for your product, sir. Thank you so much kayo. Kay kung if without you, walay BYC night tonight. So thank you so much. And
Welcome.
then we would also like to flex the admins, the new admins of BYC. Ubay-ubay ra ba mi atong sugdan kang in alphabetical order, charing. Wait, let's start with Bethel Joy Mendoza. Bethel Joy. I think it's simply Sincerely Bethel. Thank you so much. Sincerely Bethel is one of the admins and I hope you guys would also subscribe to her channel. Naana siya ron 5,400 subscribers and your support will be much appreciated. She's a proud member and admin of the BYC. So guys, I would like to encourage you to have collabs without minding the subscriber count of your fellow YouTuber. So go lang, collab lang gid mo. It's for the growth of everyone anyway. So that's our first admin. Second admin will be Donsky. His channel is Donsky143 TV. Muna guys. Please do subscribe to his channel. Okay? Muna ang atong second admin. I'll be flexing admins for tonight. You deserve this recognition for your hard work. Okay. So, muna si Sir Donsky. Donsky143 TV. He has 1,500 subscribers and he would really appreciate if you subscribe to him as well. Next is Eneri Jonas. Si Maestrang Laagan. This is the third admin. She currently has 1,600 subscribers and would really appreciate your support. Search lang, Maestrang Laagan. She has travel vlogs. Okay? Maestrang Laagan. She's from Mindanao, by the way. Alright, so the fourth admin is... I'm not sure if they know that I'm flexing them right now. Next is Hygia. Hygia doesn't really have a YouTube channel yet, but she's a very, very loyal supporter sa BYC and she was there when we started the group. Please do follow her in Facebook na lang. Please look for the Mingkay Life. This is her blog. Okay. Wait. She has a lot of she currently has 2,000 likes in her page. Right. Okay, the Minkai Life. Itchy feet, wonders, and gastronomic adventures with Haich. Buutan kini siya, guys. She currently has 2,316 followers, 2,171 like her blog. It's a Facebook page. Please do follow her if ganahan mo food, ganahan mo laag. Go to the Minkai Lives Facebook page. She currently doesn't have a YouTube channel, but please urge her to do so. We have been waiting for that for a while now. So that is the Minkai Life or Hygia, our fourth admin. Next is Hi Ian. Hi Ian, or also known as Ian Mendez, is currently having a 1,500 subscriber count. New video once a week, well, hopefully. So, due to quarantine, of course, we all know it's difficult to have travel vlogs. So, karon, please expect vlogs to be inside house, whatsoever. Mukbang. So, these are the videos. Please do support Ian Mendez, or in YouTube, it's Hi Ian. Eyyan. Right? So that's Ian Mendez. Next is Gel Temporada or Pink na Baboy. Ay, Pink na Baboy. I have 4 minutes left. Okay. Pink na Baboy Diary. He currently has 508 subscribers, and I hope you guys will help him reach the 1,000 threshold for a YouTuber to be monetized, of course, with a 4,000 watch hours. Please do support Pink na Baboy Diary. He has food, travel, and lifestyle vlogs. Okay, mga mukbang, mga review, reaction videos on games, Game Boys, and mga BL movies. So, muna siya si Pink na Baboy Diary. Next is Jerome J. Kuyag. Beth Rome's World na iyahang YouTube, guys. Beth Rome's World already graduated the 1,000 subscriber count. Muna siya iyahang channel. Oh, Labanderong Husband, under ba? So, yeah, because of the quarantine, ang mga vlogs nato recently usually at home. But please do support Beth Rome's World. 1,000 subscribers. With your help, move dako na siya. Right. So that's Beth Rome's World. Next is Joe James Alob, and that is Chasing James. Chasing James has 1,200 subscribers. He also is into food, fashion, antiques, travel, and adventures. So I really appreciate Chasing James because he really leaves lengthy but meaty. Unuron kayo ni na comments iyang ipang leave sa imong videos, which is really appreciated, and nindot kayo siya, as in it really describes the videos that you give out in your channel. So don't forget to subscribe to Chasing James. Leave a comment in his video. He will return the favor and also leave really good comments in your videos as well. I tell you guys, based on experience, Chasing James, loyal kay na siya. Next, June Rec. I hope I search you. Okay, June Rec Adventures. Currently has 921 subscribers, almost graduating the 1,000 threshold. These are the videos, usually SB19, napod siya mga BTS official music video, mga reaction niya. So guys, if you want to show your support to Rec Adventures, please do so and subscribe to his channel. Next is Kimberly Claire Somoza. Kimberly Claire Somoza currently has 301 subscribers and 14 videos. So she's starting her YouTube channel pa lang. But it doesn't really matter because she already started and she needs your support. So please do subscribe to her. That's Casey Somoza in YouTube. So she has music covers, beauty vlogs, and unboxing. Right? Okay. Next. I'm almost done, guys. Don't worry. Next to Kimberly is my channel. Sorry, I need to flex my channel as well, guys. So this is my channel. If you search Margrette, it will be the only channel suggested there. That's Margrette. And I have 3,500 subscribers currently, and I vlog about feeding, mga charity projects, cleanups, events, food, makeup, and kung sa kumunonaan. So, muna siya, guys. If you want to do collabs with me, I would really appreciate, even though if you're still a small YouTuber, maskin napura na yung subscriber diha, I won't really mind. Please subscribe to my channel, Margrette, Margrette. I will support you all the way. You can join Bisaya YouTubers Club if you need help. Next is Make Quinn. That's Quinn TV. Quinn TV currently has 141 videos. She is hiding her subscriber count. So music, art, fashion, books, vlogs, and travels. Please do subscribe to Quinn TV. She is also into Kumu and We Sing. Na siya yung mga music covers. Quinn TV. Sorry. Next is Rabsin. Rab de la Cruz. So Rab de la Cruz currently has 777 subscribers. He is also into music covers, mga shower scenes, chareng. So that's Rab Scene or Rab de la Cruz in YouTube. Next is Medyo Boy. Medyo Boy, currently, I hope you get well very soon, Medyo Boy. He currently has 1,700 subscribers and he vlogs anything under the sun. That's what he says in his channel art. Oh, na siya mga reaction videos, usually on songs, trending songs, mga miss, mga pageants, mga Game Boys na reaction videos. So if you want to collab with Medyo Boy, don't forget to leave comments in his videos. Second to the last, Rocky. It's me, Rocky, na siya. It's me, Rocky. Nato yung mga pagkapin iyang kuan. Isumpay daw nato. Oh my gosh, Rocky, nara. It's me _ Rocky. He currently has 1,500 subscribers and he is into travel vlogs and food vlogs. So if you check him out, it's me, Rocky, yang channel. And last but not the least, Doc Xavier. Doc Xavier. The doctor is out. The dentist is out. Okay. So Dr. Xavier Solis, this is his channel. The dentist is out. Walay space, guys. 708 subscribers currently. He is very into food vlogs, mga cooking, mag-invite siya o guests to cook for him and then show the videos. And he also has mukbang videos. And he also has travel videos. Videos niya before the quarantine. 1,500 views. So guys, if you want to support Dr. Xavier Gonzalez, the dentist is out in YouTube. So guys, maura na siya tanan. Medyo kutas to and I hope there are still people watching. So 16 people watching. Thank you so much for being here. I've already went beyond the 1 hour times streaming and I really appreciate all you guys for being here. If you want to share this video, you can do so that you can support our admins. See you next time if na ma plan na giveaway. And once again, I would like to thank Sir John Eric Basilisco for being tonight's sponsor. Please do go to Istoryang Gamay in YouTube to show your support. I'll be uploading this video in YouTube as well, just in case there are people who are not online currently. So, sir, your message, please, for everyone who's watching.
Kuan lang, keep subscribing o katong mga wala pa naka-subscribe, balik lang magtanaw sa document nato kay dito ra man makita tanan and kuan ka nang wala lay biyay and keep on vlogging mao gyud.
Mm.
Mag-announce lang po mi basin na ako'y matripingan nga next mag-raffle na punta. So, kuan lang ko nimo ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, mo ni again guys, Istoryang Gamay. Hinaot makatabang mo sa iyang channel. He is still starting. So, still beginning to gain subscribers. I hope you guys will also welcome collaborations with him para musaka na niyang subscribers. And once again, thank you so much for being our sponsor tonight. So, thank you so much to everyone for being here. We're officially signing off. Thank you and see you on our next live. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Amping.
Thank you.